Hi, today I'm ready for OnePlus Nord 3 5G and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings, then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi option, click on the switcher. You'll see here all the available networks. Select the network here under the password. If you want to see this password, you should click to this eye icon. After that, tap on the right upper corner, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open first the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And to launch Wi-Fi settings, you should hold it for a while, and after that, you could just activate or turn on Wi-Fi also with the help of the switcher to select one from the available networks, or just tap to more to launch full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.